Red cups, my party hat on you, my party favor. Your trophy case filled with accolades. When you leave, I just be hard as fuck. Hard as fuck, I'm tryna tell you something. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey y'all know who it is and y'all know who it ain't. It's Pretty Say, and I'm back again with another banger. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing well. I'm doing a highly requested video. My makeup. I mean, I don't really do too much, but I'm gonna show y'all what I basically do, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna put everything I use in the description. So first, I used my spoolie to shape my eyebrows up and get them the way I need them to be. And my spoolie is from, I want to say MAC. I don't remember really, but I know it's somewhere in that between those lines. I'm using my eyebrow gel from Nabi. It's long lasting and waterproof. It's in the color cocoa brown, and I'm using this to give my eyebrows a shape of definition and basically to define them a little more, because my eyebrows are already shaped. So my eyebrows are naturally shaped, so I don't really need much of it, but I use it for the ends so it can darken in a little bit more. So now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and my other concealer that's in my hand is e.l.f. This e.l.f. concealer. Both, basically, I'm using these concealers to clean up my eyebrows because you don't want to be out here looking a mess. I have caveman eyebrows right now. Like, I really don't like it, but you'll see the finished product after, you know, how it look with the concealer. Now I'm using my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer and my Nivea Cocoa Butter 48-hour body lotion. This just helps me smooth out my skin, so I can see where I need to cover up any blemishes or any dark spots I have, but this mainly helps me just have glowing skin, well, you know, majority of the day. Okay, so first I use my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. I'm the color Rich Sand, and basically I got this from, I want to say, Sephora, and it was really cheap when I got it, but I don't really remember the price, but I'll put the price in my description box. The next thing I have is my e.l.f. foundation brush. I got this from Walgreens, and I also got my eyeshadow brush from Walgreens that you're gonna see me use in like 2 seconds. The next thing I got is my beauty blender from Target, and my Pro Concealer again, my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. The next thing you're gonna see me use is Too Faced that I got for cheap for like $9 at I want to say Marshall's, and it's in the Fruity Cocktail Blush Duos. Papa, or however you put it, I'm put it in the video somewhere. Pop collection, yeah, it was real. It smells really good. And the next thing, I call them a mermaid brush or a mermaid fin brush, but a highlighter brush, and I got this, I want to say, either from the Dollar Tree or Rainbow, that's in Orlando. The next two things are my LA Color Stunning eyeshadow palette, and the colors, the three colors that I used are caramel, chocolate, and it says water fountain, but it's, yeah, but that's it. guys, we're back again with the lashes, y'all know. Yo. First, I'm using on my lips a eyeliner pencil, black brown. It was like $1 at Big Lots. And my Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb, basically. And I also used my Shea Butter NK makeup, the lip therapy. I'll insert a picture in there which one I use, because I use all of them, but I'll insert a picture of which one I used. For the setting spray, I used Hard Candy. It's long wear setting spray. It has cucumber extract in it, and I got it from Walmart. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I had a fun time, you know, doing this, you know, because it was highly requested. Everything will be in my description box. And that's really it. If y'all not pretty gang, then, you know, what are you? Period.
Change the game. I got my cheeks out, my belly out, my back out is lit. Florida shit, Florida girl shit. I got